Axie Infinity is a Pokemon-inspired virtual world where everyone may earn large amounts of crypto by actively participating and contributing. Land-based kingdoms allow pets to battle, capture, develop, and produce animals. Players may build tools and experiences for the community using Axie Infinity graphic assets and Axie genetic data. The ERC20 token AXS is used among other things for governance of the game's environment. Prizes will be awarded to AXS token holders who stake their tokens, vote on key governance issues, participate in the game, and submit user-generated content. Buy and sell more than 1,000 different cryptocurrencies on Gate.io, one of the most secure exchanges in the world. Earn $50 on sign-up using our link below. The Axie Pet Combat game works similar to Top Trumps as it involves each player drawing and discarding cards to destroy the other team's group of Axie. Each round, a player's goal is to put as many cards as possible to improve the chance of their win. Axies, like real pets, may have offspring by mating with one parent. An Axie can only be bred so many times before it loses the ability to reproduce. It requires 2 AXS and several small Love Potion SLP tokens to successfully breed your Axie. After 5 months, you may develop an Axie into an adult and analyze its DNA. Lunacia is the digital land of Axie Infinity that has 90,601 acres of property distributed as non-fungible tokens. Obtaining resources and creating things will allow you to raise your plot count. Nodes have different resources that may be used to improve land and Axies. Axie Infinity is the most played blockchain-powered game in the world and is getting more popular each month. Axie has attracted many players from less developed countries because of the potential for profit. Play to earn is the new gaming paradigm, and after the devastation that the pandemic has caused to the jobs market, games such as Axie provide a solution. Thanks for watching, and visit NonFungibleOwnership.com for all information on NFTs and crypto tokens.